Mediocre Man channel. Hello YouTubers, thanks for the support. We've passed 600 subscribers. What we're going to do today is take the Tao pit bike, the DBX1 140cc, and we're going to take the seat and replace the cover with an orange and black cover, just for basically for looks. The seat cover that's on there right now is fine, nothing really wrong with it, so taking a little bit of a risk here. And like most things that I have on this channel, I'm doing this for the first time, so I'm not holding myself out as an expert. But for those of you interested in changing the seat cover, I thought I'd go ahead and show you how I'm doing it, and we'll see if it comes out okay. And by the way, leave comments about whether or not you like the seat cover, any recommendations, or if you see that I did something wrong, feel free to point it out. All right, thanks. Okay, so what happens is first you got to get the seat off. To get it off, there is a screw and a nut right there, right under the rear fender, and you undo that. And then basically there's a notch in the center and in the front here, and you just kind of bend it a little bit and it'll slide out. And all right, so we got our 1/2-inch wrench here. Probably not exactly the right size, feels like it is. I'm just gonna loosen this nut. Try and get it so it's finger loose. There we go. And just get a little washer there. There we go. Got the nut, got the washer. And now the seat, the back of it comes right out, and we just got to get the front. Okay, so you see the back's loose, and that makes it so we can kind of just sort of bend it. That comes out, and then you slide it like that. Out it comes. So there's the little lever that hooks onto this part right here, and then there's a little notch. I'll show it to you. Right there. And so this part slides in there, and that's what holds that into place. Okay, so here's the old seat, and you can tell it's a seat cover that's made specifically for the seat. And it's got little staples, I'm not sure the size, which is a little bit of an issue, holding it in. And so what we got to do is take a screwdriver, pry off all the staples so that we can take this cover off. And then we're going to put this one on. And I will show you how I'm doing that. So step one, get a screwdriver. All right, so I'm taking a very thin, small screwdriver and try and wedge it under the staples. I guess you could maybe even use a staple remover, but I don't have one. At least get one side up, and then try and get the other one out. There it comes. And you see these staples are a little shorter than what I anticipated. Shit, just dropped it. That's not good. Here it is. Can you see that? It's a little bright, but guess not. They look really short. So the staples I have might be too long. I don't know, but we'll see. So anyway, that's it. I'm just going to take out each and every staple, take off the seat, and then start attaching the new cover. Okay. All right, I think I've gotten all the staples out. Now we would just take off the seat cover. And pretty simple. Okay, so what we got here are 1/4-inch staples. Got a pneumatic stapler because I got weak hands. You could do this with a staple gun. We've got the seat laid out, hopefully centered, close to centered. And what we're going to do here is attach one side first and go from there. Try not to staple my own hand. Okay, there's the finished product. Not bad, looks pretty good.